see a heel flip.
Oh.
Keep him alive!
All right, who's up? Seattle, you ready? You ready? Ready?
Shambo!
Oh! Got him! I'm setting the trick. No, I just cut his paper. I cut his paper. You crazy? Wait, who's the judge? All right, you're the judge.
No. You get to pick the trick. You pick it.
That's what I'm saying. All right, all right. Make a space. Okay, you ready? We're starting the hardest trick I can think of. Okay, Seattle got it. Okay, next trick. You ready? Oh! 50 people just did a frontside 180. Seattle's been learning.
If one person misses, it's a letter.
You guys are claustrophobic me out. I think I saw a letter in there. We're giving him a letter?
I'm goofy.
Okay, he landed it. Okay, who's tracking the letters? Oh, you're in charge of the letters. Okay, I'm tagging in my teammate.
What do we need?
Hard flip.
Kickflip.
No kickflip, no kickflip.
What's wrong there? Okay, who's got a kickflip? Wait.
Letter! That's a letter!
That's a letter!
First person that pops.
You gotta control your team. Just kidding. Wait, what rules are we playing? Okay. No. I'm sorry then, I'm sorry.
Oh.
If I have a voice by the end of Seattle, I'll be proud of myself.
If you have a voice in the next 5 minutes, I'll be proud of you.
Okay, watch out, guys. I need a lot of hype for this. It's a tough one. Said, I'm sorry. Will Seattle get skunked?
Let's see a heel flip.
Oh.
I heard you call me out like that. We're gonna give Seattle a run at this? Wait, I need hype for this, you guys. Seattle hates heel flips. You got the trick. You played single. You're next.
No pressure! That was a shove it!
We already did a shove it.
Alright, I'm reffing this.
Oh, okay. I got you. Makes sense.
It's good!
Oh,
it's good! That's good defense!
And you're up.
Oh, yeah.
This is Brent,
Teammates.
and he's a sponsored skateboarder from Seattle.
From the Seattle Bay Area?
Yes, I am also a founder of the yard club where I make really cool stickers and give them out.
That's
So
epic!
good. What's your trick today, Brent?
I got it boneless.
Boneless. JD, where's JD? We're playing a game of skate. It's getting really intense. It's a boneless, no 180. Just straight.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you gotta give him space. He needs to breathe.
No pressure.
Oh, the sickest boneless
He almost missed
ever. And you're up.
I'll do front shove.
A lot of pressure on this front shove. Big break.
Guys are calling a redo on your own team? That's brutal! I would have said it was good, but redo.
Okay, I'll give it to him.
I
That was good.
We have to defend.
I'm going.
Man, I was stressing.
All right, boneless 180.
Oh. Oh!
I got you.
That's toe jack.
And you're next.
I'm doing a trick.
Yeah, what trick?
Half cab.
Half cab, let's run it.
Fakey shove?
Yeah.
All right. Oh! All right, Aaron, you're up.
We're up on offense. I'm tagging in the best guy I know. Any trick, do a trick.
Nollie, nollie, nollie.
I'm not the judge here.
Can I do it? Can I do it?
You go.
S.K.A.T.E?
My name is Aaron Kyro, and I'm a sponsored Fortnite player from the Seattle Bay Area.
Did I get a trick?
Nothing. We don't got nothing. Yeah. Burial flip. Gabe needs a lot of hype. Keep him alive!
Oh, too much hype.
Burial flip you.
No. Gabe is awesome.
Who's got burial?
I got kickflip.
Whatever trick you want.
I'm just gonna. Is it everything counts?
Yeah, sure.
Uh-oh.
Looks like we're getting our first letter on this. You know I'm not that limber.
Uh-oh.
Alright, go, Aaron. Yes.
Come on. Come on. Come on. You got it. Flop down. Yes. You gotta stand up. Yes. 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 Come on. Yeah.
Okay. And
Trick. Fakey shove?
Yeah. All right. Oh!
I almost fell over. Who wants to go on offense?
I'll go.
You.
I'll do fakey
Did that already.
Fakey flip. All right, let's get it. Oh!
Okay, that's me on offense.
Nigel, guest star.
Nigel, what you got?
What's the letters?
They're
They
at
got
A. We have
and
nothing.
We got nothing.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I hope I don't land it.
Wait, what do you got?
I hope I don't land it.
Double kickflip.
Front pop leg flip.
Oh!
I got wheel bite.
That would have been too disgusting. Okay, let's go with you.
All right, what you got? Oh, let's go.
No cap. No cap.
Oh!
I want to do fakey.
Kelly
Okay,
Wakasa.
that's me. I'm up. Now it's our turn now.
Strawberry milkshake.
Only one person gets to try this. No cap, Seattle. He wants me to run it back.
You can't cheat the strawberry milk.
They were in the way.
No, that counts.
They were in the way. All right, you guys are on offense.
Fakey flip.
Right here, what you got?
Wait, is it my trick?
Yeah.
Fakey big spin. Fakey big spin. Let's go. Shout out SM.
Oh!
Charles is up.
Wait, what's your trick?
Impossible.
Possible. Ricky. First team.
Is this defense?
Make way, make way. Oh! No! We got a letter.
Our first letter.
Dang it, Rick!
You're up.
All right, what are you gonna do?
Fakey flip.
Oh!
The board was in the way.
You gotta get your team out of the way. Give him space. Give him space.
All right, let's get him to a T. Let's get him to a T.
Set the trick.
I need space, guys.
Back it up. Come on.
Dang it, bro. Dang it.
Tighten your trust.
Okay, who's on offense? Here.
Alright, this is what you taught me. On your one of your videos.
I taught him on my video.
Oh.
Popcorn. Okay.
Oh!
Where? Board?
You think you could sign my board like right there?
Yeah. You're set.
My set. Okay. Let's rebate it. Last try, double flip. It's too much wind.
You won't.
You won't, Aaron.
You won't.
Seattle's got all the dough.
No way.
That's it. Now I'm mad, Seattle. You're up. It's your trick. You're on offense for Seattle. You're representing the whole city.
All Seattle on your shoulders.
You will?
Give him room.
You got this.
Come on.
I believe in you. Last try? Should I?
You got it.
gotta go up there maybe. It's the wind conditions down here. Just kidding. We love you, Seattle. Who's got a trick?
I got double flip, actually. I got it right here.
Take a breath, Eric.
It's your turn. It's your turn. Run it.
Okay, I got it right here.
It's the wind game, I'm telling you.
I got it. I got to redeem myself. Hold on.
That's T!
You know what that means, Seattle?
Oh! First try!
Who's judging this? I would have called rebate on that. Should I run it back?
That was good.
All right, who's got it? Trey Weaver, 2 tries for all of Seattle.
Oh!
I'm gonna land my first tray flip for you.
Shout out Seattle. Shout out the SM skateboards.
About that.
We're about that in Seattle. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next run of the tour. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, learn to ride a skateboard.